In this video, we'll show you exactly how to export bank transactions in Xero, the popular cloud-based accounting software. If you've been wondering how to manage your bank data more effectively, stick around. This step-by-step guide will make sure you're up to speed and ready to streamline your accounting process. You can start using Xero for free through the first link in the description with our exclusive bonuses. Xero is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and one of the key features is the ability to easily export your bank transactions. Whether you're preparing financial reports, reconciling your accounts, or just backing up your data, exporting bank transactions is an essential task. So let's dive into it. Start by logging into your Xero account and navigating to the Bank Accounts section from the main dashboard. If you haven't connected your bank account to Xero yet, you'll want to do that first. You can link your bank account directly, allowing Xero to automatically import your transactions. Once that's done, you'll have all your transactions right at your fingertips, making it much easier to manage your finances. To export your bank transactions, click on the bank account you want to work with. This will bring up all your transactions. Look for the Manage Account button, usually located in the top right corner. Once you click it, you'll see the option to export. This is where the magic happens. Xero gives you several export options, including exporting to a CSV file or a QIF file, which you can then use in other applications or simply store for backup. When you choose to export, Xero will prompt you to select a date range for the transactions you want to export. If you're looking for a specific month or a certain period, just set your start and end dates, and Xero will filter out the transactions accordingly. You can even export all of your transactions by leaving the dates blank. Once you've selected your date range, click Export, and Xero will prepare your file. Depending on the size of your data, it might take a moment, but the file will download directly to your device and you're good to go. The file will typically be in CSV format, which is easily readable and can be opened in software like Excel or Google Sheets for further manipulation or analysis. If you're doing this for the first time, it might take a little getting used to, but once you have the hang of it, you'll see how Xero makes it simple to handle bank transactions. Remember, Xero not only helps you export your bank transactions, but also integrates with a wide range of other software, allowing you to streamline your entire financial process. If you're using Xero to keep track of your finances, being able to easily export your transactions means you'll be able to stay organized and make smarter decisions about your business. And if you're looking for an even easier way to handle financial tasks, Xero offers lots of tools like automatic reconciliation and detailed reports that can save you hours of work each week. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out that first link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial to Xero, where you can take advantage of all the features we've just talked about and more. With this free trial, you'll have all the tools you need to manage your finances with ease. Thanks for watching, and we hope this quick guide on how to export bank transactions in Xero was helpful. Don't forget to explore more of what Xero has to offer. It's a game changer for managing your business finances.